Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're doing the inclined plane lab. It's very important you take very careful data today because you'll be having a lab quiz a little later on this week where you'll be asked to extrapolate a number based upon your data. So let's take a look at what's going on in today's lab. Each person will need to fill out a data sheet. Your instructions are step by step in the graphic organizer, and you'll be putting your data in the data sheet. For this lab today, please remember the mass of the car plus the 500 gram weight in it comes to a total of 600 grams. So when you're calculating the actual mechanical advantage, the mass of the car will be 600. So essentially we have a ramp that's adjustable here, and we measure its adjustability in degrees on this very large protractor that is on the side of it. Now there's different styles of ramps in today's lab, so you just have to figure out how each one works. Now the basic idea is to find the minimum weight it takes to just barely move the car at each degree. So we're going to start off with 5 degrees. Remember, the weight hanger has a weight of 50 grams. So you will put weights on the weight hanger until the addition of 5 grams, that's the minimum, makes the car move. And please make sure the car doesn't go flying off the end or go crashing back. So what you do then is you've got 50, 65. So on your data sheet, you very simply put down that that's 65 grams to move the car at 5 degrees. Now to calculate the actual mechanical advantage, you take the mass of the car, which is always going to be 600, and we divide it by the mass needed to move it. That'd be 65, and the mechanical advantage in this case equals 9.23. Again, just take your calculations out to 2 decimal points. After that, you will very simply raise the car now to the next height, and that would be 10 degrees. Please remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And we would raise it up to 10 degrees now. Try to be as accurate as you can. And then we find the minimum weight it takes to move that and keep going up by 5-degree increments. When you're done, you will then need to make a graph like the one that's posted. Please make sure you're very careful and accurate with your graph. Like I said, you'll need this later on this week. I'll announce in class when that is. But you're going to need this for your extrapolation. Alright, go back and take some data.